and more interactive. Just want to understand how much you know and how should I proceed with. So in the next consecutive sessions, what I'll do, I'll go with the CRM functional side, and then with the, I'll get into the deep sessions of coding. So I think Dhwani is a technical person and Satish is technical, right? Whereas Vijay is more into project management. So Vijay, are you interested in functional only or in the technical part also? Okay, good. So let me just, as I told you, it will be an interactive session. So let me just understand what you understand by CRM.
It's a customer relationship management. So like I know there are sales section, marketing section, and then the service side. So basically, like it starts with some order, and then once you fulfill that order, and then the business becomes your customer, and then that starts like the sales process and service process and stuff, where you create the service record and then track any issues. So basically, it's all about like managing your customers wisely.
Okay. Any idea, Satish, Vijay?
Yeah, it's a customer-based application, whether sales, service, or marketing. It's a customer-oriented application.
Yes. Okay. So basically, CRM, why we need CRM? For any business, customer is the key role. Like they give us business. So we want their system to be customized properly so that they have a good relationship with the customer and they can actually handle their customers very well so that they can drive more business from the customers. Their needs, they can properly serve them. So that is the main purpose of CRM. It is a single solution that gives the entire process from sales, from marketing to sales to service. Like after selling the product, we need to give service to the customer because happy customer is the best customer and they can give us main business. So that is the main concept for customer relationship management. I have few decks, but it's just a flow which Dhwani said, like marketing, sales, and services. What I'll do today, first of all, we need to register for online CRM. So all of us will have hands-on, like what is CRM. We can will have one organization each. Let me just
do you have a syllabus how you're going to proceed in case if you join the class? Like, what are the
okay, yeah. So so I'll first give you the syllabus in short is like first give you an overview of CRM, the concepts of functional sites basically I'll go through for all the modules for marketing, sales and services. And then we'll get into each of the modules with the entities, forms, views, attributes, what are sitemaps, what are reports, and then into the technical side like client scripts, workflows, plugins. And finally, we'll show some of the integration, how it can be integrated with different external applications. That's a syllabus in short. So do you, yeah.
So each bulletin is like a week-based or
Sorry?
Each bullet point is each headline is a week, right? I'm asking that 4 weeks you're covering in 4 different subjects.
Yes.
Okay.
So do you have anything else in your mind that you want me to cover?
No, I'm just curious to know, are you covering 2013, the latest version, taking the workflow plugins, the business process, whatever the 2013 specific ones into consideration, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It will be 2013. Yeah. Okay.
But actually I was doing some research on like dynamics and stuff, so there are still some projects like that are running in 2011, and there are some migration projects that are going from 2011 to 2013. So
Okay.
like since you said we would be doing mostly on 2013, I was wondering like if at least like some screen, because I know like there is the presentation is different in 2011 and 2013, so would it be possible to have like at least a week's time to look at what is 2011 looking like, so that you know like it's
Okay.
not surprising when we see it for the first time.
Oh, definitely. So then in that case, I'll include one more point, that is upgrade assessment, like from CRM 2011 to CRM 2013. If there is a project in CRM 2013, you need to upgrade it to if it is in 2011, you need to upgrade it. So what is the upgrade process? And I'll just give you an overview of 2011 too.
Okay, cool.
So do we need to learn .NET also, or?
.NET is required, yes.
Okay.
So, but for Vijay, I like client scripts. Vijay, do you have experience on .NET C#?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So that's it, or do you want me to just go through CRM4 as well?
Yeah, like if you can just compare, show us like the comparison of what was the difference and what are the
CRM
different changes.
Okay.
CRM4 is not a cloud-based one, right? It is a
No, it is not cloud.
dedicated one. Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
And also, you teach us the Silverlight applications, how to build.
That is not in scope.
Okay.
Yeah. So Silverlight for this means what for you need it, means what is?
No, I have seen in the job descriptions people having experience in the building a UI with the Silverlight application based.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
So I was just curious.
Okay. Yeah, that is not covered in the syllabus. We can have a differentiation for that actually.
Okay, cool.
We will not combine it with dynamic CRM. Okay. So I have sent an link. Today we'll just create the organization and just browse through the different modules.
Okay.
Okay. And from the next session onwards, we'll go to each of them. So in the meantime, you can just browse your organization and see whatever questions you have for the next day. Did you get the link?
Actually, I did not get it.
No, I did not get to.
Okay. Now can you?
Yeah, I got the link.
So may I request one of you to share your screen and just do the hands-on. I'll see.
I don't get the link.
No, I can do that.
You have in the chat, Satish. Can you able to see the chat in the below?
Oh, it's in the chat. I thought
Yeah.
inbox.
And
I was
Dhwani,
looking
can
at
I
the
make you presenter?
Sure.
Sure. Just a moment. Yep. There you go. And you can share your screen and I can show her.
So this is a 30-day free trial. After that, you have to buy the license. You can use the same domain name as the organization name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Actually, that's the organization name. Just go above. I think you have typed it as the phone number.
Oh, okay.
And you need to enter the zip code instead of the city, state.
It auto-filled it. Okay.
Don't use your Office 365 ID yet.
Oh, it still gives error.
Just yes, Office.com. Can you give me the, okay, just sign out and sign in once again. You don't need to. I don't have the access. Just click on your this Dhwani Patel. Yes, my account.
Okay.
Let me check the details. Home. This is for Office. Just go back to the second tab. The second tab, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Just beside Outlook. Yeah. So I think you just go to CRM. Are you logged in? I can't see the above screen.
Yeah, I'm actually logged in. And log out completely.
No, you will be getting an email, right? Once you register, you must have got an email. Yeah, you have the portal. So it will take some time to install CRM. So you are done with the Office 365 ID and CRM will be done in some time. So in the meantime, I'll just share my screen and show you how it looks. Okay.
Okay.
So can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So this is the dashboard of Dynamic CRM, and it has different modules, as I said. If you click on it, sales, service, marketing, settings. These are the 3 modules, and settings is the system settings overall. So system settings, I'll get into each of the pages later on. And from here also you can change the personalized view, the settings also from here. So what is a dashboard? Dashboard specifically shows an overview of all the activities that you are doing. Like if it is a sales thing, if you are viewing the sales dashboard, then this is the default view. So you will see the open opportunities, different opportunities that are there, and the activities like what is happening as a post out here. So what this person HM is doing, what are the activities that are done in respect to sales. Lead, top opportunities, top customers. So this is a complete view of sales. Next, if you see, dashboard has different views. Like it can have sales dashboard, marketing dashboard, and we can create custom dashboards as well. So all the dashboard views, different views will come up here. See, this is the CRM overview. It's not related to only sales, but everything. Cases are incidents or in services. Services means the cases or the incidents raised by the customer. So this is the overall activity list. Now let me get into sales. Sales has so sales, when we talk about sales, specifically customers comes into play, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, competitors. Like when say a customer for a telecom service comes into play. I have a business who is a telecom provider, and the customer comes in. Before a customer comes in, we actually market our products, different products, maybe the SIM or the different offerings that we offer for SMS packages or the calling providers. These are the different products that the business sells out. So we market the different products that are available to the customer, different customers. So once we see that this customer is interested, so first is the opportunities, then first is the lead. Like if I see that this customer can be, like if I call him or email him, he is interested, then I'll take it as a interested customer. It's like I'll move it to an opportunity. It can be an opportunity, but a customer is not interested, I'll just lose that opportunity. I'll not take it as an opportunity in that case. So we have different terms here, leads, opportunities, and once say I have a customer, So in that case, customer is an account or a contact. Customer can be a single person, or we have different projects, like you have worked on different engagements, and each of the accounts are actually the customers. Maybe say your account is in the organization, your account is for Mitsubishi. So we create as an account will have different contacts. Like for Mitsubishi, who is the contact person will give the contact number or the primary contact for that particular account. So this way we store the information of different customers, and this customer comes into play after the marketing cycle, after the sales cycle, or it may be so like we have a direct customer as well. So we can create it here only. And these are the basic things, basic entities and competitors, codes. These things, I think it's better if I get into each of the modules in detail later on. So as I told you, for sales and marketing, it's almost the same with different products and how we are selling it out. For service, we have, like for each of the customer, we have different cases or the services that will provide to the customer. It's like 1 year warranty, then it's a kind of service. What are the different kinds of services that we offer to the customer? And the customer can revert back with the different service needs, or as which are recorded as cases in our case in this CRM. And finally, the settings. Settings is like settings of the administration, settings of the business management, data management. There are different settings like user roles, then users, languages, system settings, fiscal year settings. This can be handled using the settings module. And the most important part in CRM is a solution. So by default, this is a vanilla CRM. I have not made any customizations here. So once your organization is ready, you can see this, this vanilla CRM without any customization, which will have different entities already installed in it. So different entities, dashboards, web resources, you will see in your vanilla CRM, and this is called the default solution in CRM. So if you want to start with, like every customer will have their own needs. It is not necessary that every customer or every project rather will have all the 3 modules required. So in that case, what we do, if a customer only require the service module, then in that case we don't show the customer all the entities for marketing, all the entities for sales, but we can only give the customer a solution which have the services module and the required entities that he needs. Or the entities that are provided in vanilla CRM may not suffice to the project. So we may have to create different entities, different forms, different views, different dashboards. So those customizations, what we normally do is we create a new solution, and in that solution we start doing our customizations. And this will take into effect and will change the complete, we can change the complete sitemap settings or the UI of the vanilla CRM using the customized solution. So that's it. I will say, like for the next session, it's better to get into each of the module. I know this is just an overview. If you have any questions, just let me know. Or if you're expecting something more in this session, just let me know.
What is the workflow actually? People say workflow and business process, right? Where do we see that?
Okay. Yes. That you can see in that I'll come up when I'm getting into each of the module actually, because in each of the form I'll show. But here, okay, in the default solution, I'll show what's the name. So this is the process. So this is the business process flow. Like after lead comes the opportunity, how a lead is qualified to opportunity, how opportunity is qualified to customer or account. So these are the conditions that we mention here out. So this is called the business process flow, but maybe this is a you can see it when we go into the main screen and just do the steps one by one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anything else? And the workflows, all those things I'll cover in the, not in the next, maybe in the next week, because that needs some more knowledge about CRM. So,
Do we need to install any software in our local laptop?
no, you just register yourself to the free online CRM. So that's it.
That
I have sent you sent you the link, right? So
okay. Now for .NET development, we need to have the tools, right?
okay. Okay. So Visual Studio unit, Visual Studio latest version will be better.
Web development?
For plugins,
No, I mean like Visual Studio web development or something else.
I didn't get you.
Like there are
It's for
different,
plugins when we are writing classes, plugin classes. In that case, we need C#